How will these medicinal mushrooms help me train harder?
Medicinal mushrooms help you train harder because you're going to have a stronger immune system. If you have a stronger immune system, then you're going to be less susceptible to illness, and you're going to be able to train harder just because of that. When you train hard, when you're an athlete, giving 100% in the gym every day, or whatever you're doing, wherever you are, and you're giving 100%, you are going to raise your cortisol levels, and that cortisol will have a negative impact on your immune system. So, it's either don't train hard and don't raise your cortisol levels, or train hard, raise your cortisol levels, and then deal with those cortisol levels. So obviously, you're going to train hard. Your cortisol levels are going to go up. So now what do we need to do? We need to support your immune system. Medicinal mushrooms, the 5 organic mushrooms that I put in my Resilient Immune Blend, are targeted to support those white blood cells and prevent the damage that the cortisol can take effect. So now you're repairing better, your immune system's strong, you're coming to the gym feeling great, feeling healthy, you don't have a cold, you don't have a sniffle, you're not tired, you're not run down, and now that's when you can train at your best. It's not going to help your muscles, it's not going to help your ligaments in a direct way, but by having a strong immune system and having the ability to repair better, now you're going to come to the gym feeling amazing and you're going to have great workouts.